Hey there, I am prepping my stuff for tomorrow. Funny thing is, if you saw my video yesterday, you're gonna see that I prepped all this and ended up not taking it because I forgot we had our work luncheon. So this is my lasagna. What I did was I poured it out on a paper plate and chopped up those pieces of rutabaga. And it also has so it's the lasagna, but like I said, I chopped up the pieces so they were smaller. I also have some pan-fried turnips, so I'll be taking that. And an egg muffin. Let me get the air out of it. They definitely fill up with air after they defrost. So I'm gonna take that for my lunch. I'm gonna take a big old spoon. And that is my meal prep for tomorrow. Not a whole lot to do because I did all the work Sunday night. So, all right, this is Monday night. I'm getting ready for Tuesday. Hello. I'm supposed to see my my doctor today, about the trouble sleeping and stuff, but she's got COVID. So anyway, instead I'll just keep working today. And yeah, so I'll be, but I'm going to see her, I think, on the 28th. So I take my Lou, I take him to the vet on the 27th, and then my doctor on the 28th, which I chose those dates because I'm off work. So it kind of works out perfect. I don't have to take any ETO extra. I'm already off for the family. And so, I can go be with the family after those appointments. So that's what I know. Okay, bye. I forgot to tell you, I'm going to eat my egg muffin now. And I still have some coffee. Okay, bye. All my Christmas stuff is made at home. So I now have the Christmas spirit in my office again. I'm going backwards, but let's see. I have that snowman on the wall. That snowman there. My Christmas tree. Work gave us a present. And that little snowman right there in the window. He came home. I think that's the end of all my Christmas stuff. But yeah, so it all made its way back home. Anyway, it is lunchtime and I'm hungry. So we've got my rutabaga lasagna and some turnips, and that's what I'm having for my lunch today. Hello, it is supper time, and for supper we have some of our rutabaga that was all gratin. So that means when I made it, I used the all-day Crave seasoning, and looks like it was 1.5 tablespoon of heavy cream. All right, that's 1.5 tablespoons. So it looks like that's how I made it. So anyway, so that's what I'll be plugging in a chronometer. 1.5 tablespoons of heavy cream, and then 190 of au gratin, or rutabaga, and then this is my taco meat, or good grief, ground beef, but I'm about to make it taco meat. So what my plan is, I'm going to put some of this sweet chili on it. This G. Hughes sweet chili. 2 tablespoons is a serving, which is 30 grams. And then I'm gonna stir it up, and then we're gonna put some pico de gallo on it. Oh, wait a minute, wait. I'll put a little no salt on it, and then a regular salt. And then we're gonna put just a smidge of chili powder. And then some cumin. Nope. Where's the cumin? Curry, paprika, ginger. Hold on. Did I lose it? Did I move it? That's cinnamon. Oh, right here. Okay. Some ground cumin. And then I want to put a little bit of the Mrs. Dash Southwestern Chipotle. So now I'm going to stir it up a little bit. If you want it, if you have any lettuce, you your or spinach or cabbage. You could put this on a bed of that. You could add cheese, all kinds of stuff if you wanted. You could add onions. Oh, speaking of onions, how about I add some minced onion? Although I am going to be adding some pico de gallo here in a minute. There's a little bit of onion in that. All right, so now let me zero this out and we'll get some pico de gallo going. 2 tablespoons. So 1, 2. And there we go. So that's what we're having tonight. Some taco meat. I don't know, Southwestern something. And Southwestern ground beef. And some rutabaga au gratin. So, let's take a taste, see what we think. Yeah. That's a lot of good flavors. So that is what I'm going to have for my supper. All right, see you later. Hello again. So, today is yesterday was the last day of our counting, of our logging. So now what you're going to do? What you could do is over the next week or so, take a look. Look, what were your average calories? What were your average carbs, protein, fat? Did you reach any goals? Did it help you mentally understand how you're eating and how much you're eating? The whole point of logging is it's for you. It's not for anybody else. It's for you to look and you to see, are you getting what you want? Are you doing what you want? Are you eating the way you should be eating? And it also points out to you, well, maybe I had a little more calories than I should, or am I eating enough? So the whole point of logging for those 5 weeks is now you need to do something with that information. Not today, not tomorrow, but the point of it is to make sure that you are, that you take that data and use it the way you see fit. So anyway, just wanted to touch base with you because we're done with the logging challenge. I still am going to log and I'll still add them, but I won't put them at the front of my thing. I'll try to remember to put it at the end now because, we're not all trying to log, but it's good to log if you're trying to lose weight, or if you're trying to maintain. Logging is really good. What it does is it allows you to see what you're doing. So I just made my supper and I'm hungry. So yeah, take a look at your log, see what you could do different, what you should do different, what you should change, and use that to know what to do. And that's what I know. Hang on, we got to take a bite of these. Au gratin. My calories were up today, 2,100. I'm sure they were up yesterday when we went out to eat. Whoo, Nelly. This right here. This is the good stuff. So how are you doing? How are you doing? Are you taking care of yourself? Are you getting ready for your stuff? Do you have a bunch of Christmas shopping to do? Have you already got all your shopping done? I'm fortunate. I made those hats for the kids, and then I give all the nieces and nephews money. So I made hats and I stuck their money in their hat. So that way they'll have something to remember me by this winter and some money. So, the sisters and I, we don't shop for each other. Like, we don't get gifts for us. But we do go together and get something for Mom. Mom said this year she wanted she wanted an iPhone watch, but she wanted the kind that if she were to fall, it would automatically know it, and it would ask her, "Are you okay?" And if not, it would reach out to, probably gonna call me because I'm the closest child. So it'll call me, and then if I don't answer, it'll automatically call for assistance. So it's pretty cool and cheaper than the what you call it. Cheaper than the life alert button. So we're getting mom that. Yeah. So that's about it. That's what I know. So I'm gonna finish eating, and you all have a good day. Bye. Here's my macros for the day. Like I said, I was definitely high in calories, but meh, it's just one day out of 365. Good night.